kami ngayon sa Chungli. Ay muna sa kaya kami ngayon teppanyaki, Japanese food dito sa atin.
So right now in the lunch, we are take our lunch to eat teppanyaki, Japanese restaurant. So it's the chef.
Mukhang masarap to siya na ano.
Try the soup.
Mm.
Okay lang. Cafe yan.
Mm. Sarap po. Wait. Wow.
Thank you. Parang nasira ko bag ko to.
Sarap guys dito.
Magsabi
Teppanyaki.
pa dapat.
Okay lang, edit ko lang mamaya. Yeah. I want that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ganun.
Sarap.
Yum. How's the taste?
Delicious.
Wow. Okay.
Babalik ulit kami.
It's worth it.
Yeah, worth it.